Hi, Thursday's Downtown Vendors. I'm Katie Ottleman, Director of Content and Communications with the Rochester Downtown Alliance, here to share a short instructional video for uploading products to Sharetribe. Let's get started in uploading a product to Sharetribe, the Thursday's Downtown virtual market platform. So once you log in, you'll see you're in the Thursday's Downtown Market, and to upload a product, simply go up to the top right-hand corner for this Post a New Listing. And then once you click that, it'll ask you to select a listing type, and you're going to do selling with online payment if you're accepting online payment. And then once there, you're going to type in your product title. So I'm just going to do a general one for RN and doing a test product number 2. And enter the price of your item. That does not include shipping if that's an option for you as a vendor. And if you do, once you click shipping, it'll ask you for the shipping fee that it costs to ship that item. And also, if you are a local Rochester vendor or can offer a pickup location close to Rochester, select that one. And then offer a detailed description as far as the item. And also, if you are doing pickup, this would also be a good spot to add in if there's a certain day, time, and location that they can pick up their item if they live close to the Rochester area. And then for product categories, this is what we have listed for our site. And I'm going to do, we're a jewelry vendor. And our location, it's populating from the information that we added in from our profile settings. And then all you have to do is upload an image. And it says it's processing, but you should be able to see it once here, right here, once it's uploaded, and then click submit for review. And here you'll be able to see what your listing looks like, all of its information, and then if you want to edit it for more, you want to delete it, you can do that. Also, what's nice about this is that people can see the product here, but that they can also click on your vendor profile down here and get more information about your vendor website, all of the listings that you have, and anything that you put into your profile you can share on that profile as well. And it's really as simple as that, as uploading a product to Sharetribe. We hope you found this video tutorial to be helpful in uploading products to Sharetribe for the Thursday's Downtown Virtual Market. If you'd prefer a written step-by-step instruction sheet, we have it linked on this page as well. With any further questions about the Thursday's Downtown Virtual Market, please contact RDA Director of Events, Monica Kopit. We look forward to sharing your products in the 2020 Thursday's Downtown Virtual Market. Stay tuned for the next video about how to create beautiful product photos from local photographer Alex with Alpha Digital.